Hi everyone, this is Gracie. This vlog is about our family's journey of moving from one town to another to search for therapy for my son Daylan. We left Calamba, Misamis Occidental and traveled to Iligan City, then to Cotabato City, and finally here in Kidapawan City. So come join us as I share the story of how we found hope again, one move at a time. On August 18, 2024, we left Calamba, Misamis Occidental for good. We packed everything we could fit into a pickup car. It wasn't easy to leave our tiny home because we stayed here for almost 3 years. But we needed to find a place where Dalen could finally start therapy and have the support he needs. So our next stop was Iligan City.
Misamis.
Paingon sa boarding house.
Saan siya, uy?
Saan siya ba gumay?
Oo.
Oh, baon ni Dol.
Mo ni?
Oh. No, Duterte.
Duterte.
Tara, nagkit. Yellow nga balay. Klaro.
In Iligan City, Dalen started his occupational therapy at Alexis Haven. We were so happy because it felt like we were making progress. He had 4 sessions with the OT. But after only 2 weeks, Dada Orly got accepted with a new job based in Cotabato City. Of course, we need Dada, so we had to stop therapy and prepare for another move.
Napod balik. Let's sing. A, B. Sige. Sige na.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
Paspasa. Nawala ka? Ne. Let's come sing with me. Come and sing the ABC.
A rainbow.
Rainbow color.
White. Yellowish. Lava.
Yellow.
Gray.
Green.
Blue.
Blue.
Purple. Pink.
Yeah, pink.
White.
White.
Wow.
Makaigo ka.
Wow, very good. Wow.
So guys, here's Dylan. This Kuya Dylan, long hair Kuya Dylan. Like a bounce. Oh,
Oh no.
Mama have ticket. So I'm working. Dito kami sa Iligan City. Dumating kami dito last month, like August 18. And now it's September 19. So, it's been a month and a day. Sabihin, didistract ko dito. Ato dito ka, bibi! Kailangan ko i-turn off yung light para bumalik siya sa kwarto. Ah! Bad decision. Ikaw na! Todo kuya ikaw!
On September 28, 2024, 9 a.m., we headed from Iligan City to Cotabato City. We rented a closed van and a pickup truck to make a long trip more comfortable. Along the way, we passed through the beautiful towns of Lanao and Maguindanao. We are tired, but we're grateful for the chance to see more of Mindanao's beauty. This is Lemgo apartment. The rent is just the same as in Iligan City, but it's more spacious. The only downside, we're on the second floor since no other unit was available, so it's not so safe for the kids. At first, we thought we'd stay longer, but just for 2 days after moving in, a renter complained about the kids' noise. The landlady sided with them and told us to leave after using our deposit. It was heartbreaking, but we had no choice. For now, I'll take you to a quick tour of this place and also I'll show you the roof deck where we can see the very beautiful sunset of Cotabato City. Duso. Hayag kay Duso. Kagwapo. Gwapo man ni siya sa... Eh.
Hey guys, we're moving out again. So, moving out part.
Part 2.
Di uy. Part 3. Nalayas ko. Ay, ito na dahil batang. Ay, wala pa mo dahil space bagamay. Pa. Goodbye, house. Thank you for the 1 month.
Alig pa kami? Ah. Okay. That's your stuff. Wow. Shoot! Baliktad! Shoot the ball! Yay!
What's that now?
For calling out. And such a shout out to the favorite sir that we kind of heard of. So thank you guys. In the meantime,
Bubble, 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 pop.
Yay! Delicious! Yummy!
Sleepy ka? Okay, so it's Dylan's doctor's appointment today. So it's just online with Dr. Kosi, Development Pedia. Finally, you're able to secure a slot. So we're just waiting for her to join the meeting. Dylan! Are you sleepy? You're so good. You're behave man, kuya. Yeah, it's 8:28 and you're supposed to start at 8:30. So we're just waiting for a moment.
Attention. Di ba, mami, usay mo tanaw, usay mo sunod, usay di very short attention span. So, mer di gyud natay delays. A motor
Tuesday. Wednesday is free day. Sayang naman yung mga OOTD ng ating mga anak no, na nabili na natin. Balik na naman sa type A, Friday, PT. Alternate lang. You can... Okay. Pair with shoes and our PE. So, ito po yung PE nila. Okay? So, cotton.
Bakit Child Development Center? Dati kasi daycare center siya. So dahil from national, napalitan nila ng Child Development Center from daycare.
Hey, nice! Nice. Ready na ka? Huh? I'm backing. Yay! Mag-play! Bye! Bye-bye! Love you! Heart! Okay, bye-bye! Careful! Ay! Very good! This was our last stroll in Cotabato City. We came to realize that this isn't the right place for us, as there are limited interventions available for Dalen's condition. Cotabato City only offers EB therapy, while his pediatrician recommended occupational and speech therapy. Dalen is already 6, and we're doing our best to help him catch up with his development. Thankfully, we found a center in Kidapawan City that offers occupational therapy and has an available slot. So we packed our things once again, ready for another chapter of our journey. It won't be easy. Dada will stay in Cotabato for work during weekdays and visit us on weekends. On July 23, we rented a lipat bahay or moving truck and they traveled ahead of us. Around 9 a.m., we boarded a bus bound to Kidapawan City. After a few hours on the road, we arrived safely at 1 p.m. At first, we stayed in a subdivision house since we couldn't find any available home online. But just when we were starting to settle in, we learned that there was an issue with the house ownership. The Pag-ibig staff advised us to move out. And so once again, we packed our things and prepared for another move. For today's video, lipat na naman kami guys. So, nilipat na naman kami kasi klaro. Finally, we found a better apartment and it feels just right for us. It's half the price of our previous place. Yes, it has 2 bedrooms, giving us more space to move around. It's almost perfect for what we need. The kids can play safely since it's gated and it's not too hot. We also have easy access to everything: the grocery store, tricycles for transportation, and we're now much closer to Dalen's therapy center. I can honestly say we'll be staying here for quite a while. We finally have everything we need for Dalen and for a little family. And that's our family's journey. I'm so happy to share it with you, and I truly hope it inspires anyone going through similar challenges. Remember, never give up, just like we never did. Life may not be easy, but it's always beautiful. If you watched the entire vlog, thank you so much. I spent days and hours putting everything together in one video. It was such a headache, but I hope you enjoyed and appreciated. If you'd like to join us on this journey, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in our next vlog. Bye!
Dito na. Hanggang swimming pool na.